A Discord link to your YouTube channel. If any day any of you are a Discord user and you also have your own YouTube channel and you would like to add your Discord link to your YouTube channel, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Discord application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Discord out there. After you search Discord out there, you have to tap on the very Discord application, and after you tap on the very Discord application, Discord will be launched on your very mobile device. Now after that, you have to go to the option of you there and then go to the option of the settings. Now after you tap on the option of the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to share your very interface there, you have to go to the option of the account there, and then you can also directly go to the option of sharing your link. If you do not find it directly, you can go to the option of the message there and then go to the option of the add friends, and then you can go to the option of the copy link, or you can also go to the option of the share invite. If you go to the option of share invite, you can see the various kind of application which you would like to just share. But more than that, you can just copy the link there, and after you copy the link, now you can close the very Discord application. Then you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search YouTube out there. Now after you search YouTube out there, you can tap on the very YouTube application, and then YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your mobile device, you can go to your profile there, and after you go to your profile there, you can tap on your profile once again. Now you can go to the very edit like option, that is the channel settings there, and then you have various kind of options here. Now in the option of the handle, you can just paste your all of those that which you had just downloaded or which you had just pasted from the Discord. You can go there in the handle, and then you can also paste it there, and after you paste it there, you can just go to the option of the save, and this way you can just put the very Discord link on your very YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.